Mopresidente Ramaphosa o hlongwe dipotso tse kenyelletsang ya kimollo ya motlakase, ditlaleho tsa bobodu ka hara Eskom le ho fokola ha moruo.
So I cannot understand how, Honourable President, that this decision of a full bench is being appealed by this government.
Mopresidente o sireleditse maikemisetso a mmuso ka tsela ena.
And by the way, it is not being done in an arrogant way, in a way where we're trying to say second guess the court. It is actually being done to ensure that we save the grid.
O boetse a botswa hore na o na le lesedi ka ditho tsa kabinete tse o tlalewang dinkgalefotha diketsong tsa bonokwane ka hara Eskom.
Did Mr. Director ever draw your attention, Mr. President, to any acts of corruption in Eskom?
Mopresidente o re lesedi leo a nang le lona ke leo baahi ba le tsebang le hlahellang ka hara tlaleho ya tshusumetso e bolotsana diqetong tsa mmuso.
Never was information ever put about the personalities that are involved. And hence I say, the process of identification of all that is a matter that should be fully put before the law enforcement agencies.
Mopresidente o botsitswe ka menyenyetsi ya lenqosa la Amerika kwano Afrika Borwa e reng sekepe sa Russia se ile sa fihla Simonstown ka Tshitwe.
Ammunition and materials of war were loaded onto the sanctioned Russian ship, the Lady R, when she docked at your government naval base in Simonstown last December.
And let me say,
Honorable Mr. President.
yes.
I'm really sorry. You have a choice whether to respond to this question or not. Honorable members, order, because this is a new question. It is.
We are all aware of the news that we all became aware of the Lady R, and that whole matter, Honourable Steenhuisen, is being looked into.
Balekudi ba re menyenyetsi ya moraorao ya lenqosa la Amerika e ka nna ya duka dikamano pakeng tsa Amerika le Afrika Borwa.